sa may Parkson. And look, ang ganda pala dito sa likod. First time ko dito makapunta dito sa likod. Dito yung ano sa likod ng Parkson. Tapos dito is may mga ano restaurants. Nandito yung mga ano indoor outdoor restaurant. Hanggang doon. So first time ngayon lang ako nakapunta dito sa likod ng ano ng Parkson. Ano ko yung ano, let's try kasi I just finished work. So let's go and check for a food, noodles, because noodles is life. Let's try it here. Bongshi. Oh. It's a noodles. But all of these are spicy?
Yes.
Oh. But can you make
You want to?
yeah, can you
you
make
want
not
to-
too spicy?
You don't know spicy.
No spicy, no spicy. Which one is the best here? Noodles? I want noodles with soup.
Soup.
Yeah, noodles.
Soup.
This one?
Chicken.
Chicken. Okay, I want please one and
This one.
yeah, one. Oh, yung mga ano nila. How about this? Oh, it's plastic. Plastic. Kasi nga naka-English siya. All are English. So we have to pay now. How much? Should I wait there?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, bro.
So we will go and eat. First time of eating Chinese food. So let's fit. I think we can go eat in outside, but we can stay here. Yeah, we can stay here. Hirap siyang intindihin kasi nakasulat siya ng Chinese. So lahat ng menu nila is Chinese. So magdi-depend ka na lang sa pictures nila and sa price. So hopefully hindi siya masyadong maanghang. So yung restaurant is nandito siya sa may Benshan Center, doon sa labas. Labas actually. So there. So let's wait for the order. Fairness ha, mura lang yung mga paninda nila dito. Like yung noodles is 63, tapos yung side dish is 35 and 35 yung drinks. So hindi siya ganun ka-expensive knowing na nasa loob siya ng shopping mall. So waiting for the food na lang to come. Ano sila? So, and I noticed yeah, since this is a Chinese restaurant, karamihan ng mga nandito is mga, alam nyo na, taga-China. So look at this, yung mga ano nila, naka-Chinese talaga siya. There. This is what I got now. I got this. This is the soup. This is the noodle soup. And this is that I don't know what is this, but let's try. Let's try na lang. Let's try. So, ano? Para siyang sweet potato. And this is just hindi siya noodles. I thought it's a noodles, but it's not a noodles. It's like molo. Ganyan siya oh, meron siyang laman and meron siyang vegetable. I thought ano siya, noodles. Hindi pala siya noodles, but let's try kung masarap siya. Let's try. Since soup naman siya. Kaya pala nagtaka ako walang chopstick. Yun pala, hindi pala siya chopstick. But let's try this. If it's yummy. Very savory siya. Kung gusto mo yung yung sabaw, this is perfect also. This is really also good for sabaw for today. Let's try yung itong lamang. It's a dumpling. Dumpling pala siya. Okay na. Kasi nga, mahilig naman ako sa sabaw. Pati yung soy sauce nila is written in Chinese. Even the plate, even the packaging is in Chinese. So everything are written in Chinese. So let's put this kasi oh wow, para magkaroon siya ng a little taste. So let's try now. Tastes good na. Noodle is real. Akala ko talaga noodles yun. Dumplings pala. But anyway, good taste naman siya. So before ako mag-uwi, mag-room around muna ako dito. Itingin muna tayo ng pwedeng mabili kung may budget pala. Alright, let's see. Ang daming kainan, ang daming mga Chinese food something dito. Ang daming mga Chino here, Chino there. Let's see. Oh, shoes. I saw this. Wow, mga shoes. They're on shoes. Wow. Mahal, no? Ang daming ganap dito sa Parkson. Pero uwi na ako para makapagpahinga para we will recharge. Alright, so that's it for our video. Please consider to follow me and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye and stay safe everyone. May langaw.